Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2012 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel. It's a two-wheel drive. It's got 164,000 miles on it. It's also got a brand new set of tires, which I'm sure you just seen. It's a one-owner truck. It has a IMT Dominator bed, IMT 7,500 pound crane. Hydraulic air compressor. It's got a toolbox over on the other side. Walk around over there and show you in a second. I'm going to go ahead and turn the PTO on. Well, I'll have to come back to it. Hydraulic outriggers. Shelf. Keep this PTO on. AC feels good. Outriggers down. Air compressor. Going to show you the basic functions on this crane. Up, winch down, extend out, extend in, side to side, bring down. Thing works on her like she should. That is a proportionate valve on this crane, so that's why it goes the speed you want it to go. Got some work lights, beacon light up top. That work light's working. That one has seen better days. I had to stick one on there. I think I got one. We'll put one on there. Rears up. really nice truck. It's a one owner, like I said, 2-wheel drive, 164 on the miles. Brand new tires we put on it. One thing I do want to point out, on the driver door, when it come in, it was like this. It has some damage down there. You can see that. It looks like they tried to repair it. If I have a white door that we could put on there that's in better condition than that one, you know, it's just not the matching door, and this is the door that comes on the truck. That's why I didn't want to mess with it. If you want that door swapped out, I'll swap that door out. We've got a parts truck we can swap doors with. I just hate messing with doors because sometimes you get wind noise and stuff like that, and it doesn't have any, so I hate to fool with it. But if you want that door swapped, we will put a nicer looking door on there. I guess that's about it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, we can ship it straight to your door. On a truck like this, figure somewhere around $1.25 to $1.50 a mile. Really depends on where you're located. I guess that's about it on this one. 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. So you got some cold AC, and we need it right now because it's burning up outside. Cruise control, CD player. All right. Thanks for watching.